Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a drop-down menu in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to Websites, and next to the website built using Hostinger Website Builder that you want to add a drop-down menu on, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and to add a drop-down menu, simply go to Pages, and let's say I want to have delivery below menu in a drop-down menu style. Simply drag and drop, drag this menu and place it a little bit below the menu and a little bit to the right, like that. And as you see now, if I click on, or if I let's preview it live, if I hover over menu, I see delivery. And this is how to create a drop down using pages that already exists on your website. If for example you want to add new menu items without creating new pages, simply use this add link icon. For example, let's add a navigation menu item called check, or for example, check or delivery updates. Now you can link this menu item to an existing page on your website or an external web address. For example, let's say that I ship using UPS, and now click add your link here and click on save. Now this is the external, or this is the menu item created without having to create a new page on your website. Same thing, drag and drop it like that, and now it is below menu, and let's view it live. Now this time let's update my website. My website is updated, view site live, and now if I hover over menu, I see delivery, then delivery update. The delivery is a page created on my website, and the delivery update is an external page. And this is how to create a drop-down menu in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.